These Kirkland signature protein bars are my go-to post-workout snack. Each bar contains 21 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, so they're easy to digest, and they only contain 190 calories. Both the chocolate chip cookie dough and the brownie flavor also taste really good, and sometimes I even use them to replace my dessert because they taste so sweet naturally, even though they only contain 2 grams of sugar. They taste so good that I usually buy them 2 boxes at a time, and as you can see, I'm already literally down to my last 3. So pick up some of these protein bars for yourself today and start building muscle the delicious way.